Hello everybody, let's talk about the formula in Excel. Here is our transaction cell daily that we have different invoice, customer name, salesperson and the total amount in invoice. So there are around 100 lines that different invoice and the total amount. So the purpose of today we are going to sum the total amount from each customer that they buy per year. So we need to sum. If we don't know the formula, we will go to filter by customer zone 01 and we sum the amount, and then we go to the customer 02 and we sum the amount. But today I will introduce you how to do it in easy way in Excel formula. So we need to pick up our customer name to this row. So first I need to copy all the customer name into this column. So we can see that in our listing have the same customer name. So we need to remove duplicate customer name by go to data and click remove duplicate. So it is only different customer in each row. So we need to find the total of a customer that they buy our product for this year. So the formula that we use is for SUMIF, because SUMIF function we can use with the total or sum the amount with condition. So we can write equal and SUMIF. Here is range. Range, it means that the area of our condition, it can be both of value or text. So the area of condition is a customer. So we go to row customer. We click Ctrl Shift and arrow key, scroll it down. So we can fix the cell by press F4, comma, categorical is the condition of result. So is condition of result that we want to get. So we want to get customer zone 01 and press comma, and then is sum range. Sum range we go to the field amount, because we want to see the amount, the total of amount from each line. So we press F4 to fix the cell and then press enter. We can double click or scroll it down. For the rest it will auto calculate for us because we already fix our cell. In here we can double check by total. The total of amount here we need to equal of the total from our detail. So it's zero checking. So our working is correct. Just format it for better. Okay. So I will give you one more example about the total of salesperson by repeat our practice by click to the column salesperson because we would like to see how much the salesperson they earn from each year. So we need to copy column salesperson and then we will go to remove duplicate. Okay. Here I would like to highlight here for the salesperson, the name we must be write it exactly the same because remove duplicate which means that the data need to be the same. So here if different, so we can copy to the same. Okay, we can remove one. Just in my purpose for mention here. So we can write the total for, again we write sum if, and then the range is the area of data of our condition. So our condition if now is salesperson, pixel, click salesperson and go to sum range. Okay. Again, we can double check. We can double check here. And zero checking. That is all for our your video today. If you have any question, please comment below. Thank you for your watching.